there are some inbuilt sequences in Microsoft Excel which you can use to speed up your work. Let us see some of them. Here in this cell, I want the month names, so I start typing January, and now I want the other month names also in the sequence, but every time I have to type it, but it's not necessary, because in Microsoft Excel you can simply write the first name which you want and you can drag it, and it will take all other month names in the sequence. So January, February, you can see everything is already here. Similarly, if you want this sequence to start from any other month in between, you can start from there and it will take in the sequence. If you want the short name, you can write Jan, sometimes we use like this, that will also be taken care. You will get the short names. Moreover, if you want some other common sequences like the name of the weekdays, then also you can start like this. You can write Monday and then drag down, it will take other days in the sequence. You can also use weeks as a short name. You type Mon and it will take the short names like this. So there are few custom lists which are inbuilt in Microsoft Excel, and because of those custom lists we are able to use this feature, and this is really very helpful. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your own custom list, so that next time when you want your own list to appear in the sequence, any name from the list you write and you just drag and rest of the names come, then this video is for you. So before we proceed, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you get the notification of all my new tutorials. I wanted to write the names of elements from the periodic table in the sequence, and I have created a custom list. And now whenever I want to enter the elements in a sequence, I just write the name of the first element I want, and rest of those can be done automatically by Excel. So let me show you. I write hydrogen here, and if I want the rest of the names, I just drag it and Excel takes care of that. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, everything follows in a sequence. If I want it to start from any other element, like I want to start from carbon, then I simply write carbon and just drag. So this is how it will work if you create your own custom list. Now let me show you how I have done it. To start with, initially we have to have the list of the sequence which we want. So here in this separate sheet I have written all the elements from the periodic table here, and of course I have not written it manually. I have imported the data from internet, and in some other video I will also show you how you can import the tables, the data from internet directly into your Excel file. So this is a list of 118 elements I have already written here. So this is how you need a list already. Or if your list is not having many items, then you can also type manually in the custom list. Now let me show you how I can make this list part of the Excel's custom list, so that next time whenever I want, I can use this sequence. And it is not necessary that you can your sequence should be in that particular Excel file. It can be, once you make it in the custom list, it will be used throughout your program on any other sheets. Already it will be there and you can start working anywhere in any of the files. So here I am in the custom list, and what I have to do is I have to go to files, then I go at the bottom and I go to Excel options. Go to Excel options, and In Excel options dialog box, on the left side you have to go to advanced, here in the advanced, and then on the right side scroll down until bottom, and here under general section you will find edit custom list. Click on this and edit custom list dialog box will appear, and here you can find those inbuilt custom list which I was showing you under while introducing this concept. So you can find all these short names and the full names, all these sequences are already set here. Now what we want is, we want something from our list also to appear here. How do we do that? Either I will start typing those names here directly, separated by a comma, and then I will click on add. This is how it will become part of my custom list. Or if your list is really big, you would not like to type everything, what you can do is you can import the cells using this section. So I will simply click here on this button, and I will go to my elements sheet where I have the sequence which I wanted, and I will select this complete sequence from the first item to the last item using Control Shift down arrow. Everything is selected. Now I'll click again here. I will click on import, and here now you see that everything is already taken care. It is now part of your custom list. Simply hit OK and OK again. Now whenever you want those elements to appear in a sequence starting from anywhere, it will work like a loop. So you can start typing any element and it will come. Right, I write boron, and if I drag down, the rest of the elements following boron will come. If I start from hydrogen, and then I drag, rest of the elements will follow, and it will follow till end, you can see. So this is how you use the custom list to speed up your work. If there is a list of, maybe if you are a teacher or you're working in a school and you have the name of the students in a particular class, and you want them in a same sequence to appear every time because it's a roll number, then you can make a custom list. So you have to identify your case where you are using repeated things, there you can use the custom list. I hope you find this information valuable and it will help you speed up your work in Microsoft Excel. If that's the case, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.